Hello everyone. Today, on this occasion of Diwali celebration, I am going to share some major importance of this day, Diwali celebration 2020, the festival of lights. Diwali is the Indian festival of lights, usually lasting 5 days and celebrated during the Hindu lunisolar month Kartika between mid-October and mid-November. One of the most popular festivals of Hinduism, Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. The festival is widely associated with Lakshmi, goddess of prosperity, with many other regional traditions connecting the holiday to Sita and Rama, Vishnu, Krishna, Yama, Yami, Durga, Kali, Hanuman, Ganesha, Kubera, Dhanvantari, or Vishwakarma. Furthermore, it is in some regions a celebration of the day Lord Rama returned to his kingdom, which is by Sita and brother Lakshman, Ayodhya, after defeating the Lankan Ravan after serving 14 years of exile. So this festival was originated from Ayodhya. In the lead up to Diwali, celebrants will prepare by cleaning, renovating and decorating their homes and workplaces with diyas, oil lamps and rangolis. During Diwali, people wear their finest clothes, illuminate the interior and exterior of their homes with diyas and rangoli, perform Lakshmi Puja, worship ceremonies of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth, light fireworks and partake in family feasts where mithai and gifts are shared. Diwali is also a major cultural event for the Hindu and Jain diaspora from the Indian city. The 5 day long festival originated in the Indian subcontinent and is mentioned in early Sanskrit texts. Diwali is usually celebrated 20 days after Dasara, with Dhanantaras or the regional equivalent marking the first day of the festival, when celebrants prepare by cleaning their homes and making decorations on the floor, such as rangolis. The second day is the Naraga Chaturdashi. The third day is the day of Lakshmi Puja and the darkest night of the traditional month. In some parts of India, the day after Lakshmi Puja is marked with the Govardhan Puja and Bali Pradipada. Some Hindu communities mark the last day as Bhai Dooj or the regional equivalent, which is dedicated to the bond between sister and brother, while other Hindu and Sikh craftsmen communities mark this day as Vishwakarma Puja and observe it by performing maintenance in their workspaces and offering prayers. Some other faiths in India also celebrate their respective festivals alongside Diwali. The Jains observe their own Diwali, which marks the final liberation of Mahavira. The Sikhs celebrate Bandi Chor Divas to mark the release of Guru Hargobind from a Mughal Empire prison, while never Buddhists, unlike other Buddhists, celebrate Diwali by worshipping Lakshmi, while the Hindus of Eastern India and Bangladesh generally celebrate Diwali by worshipping goddess Kali. The main day of the festival of Diwali is an official holiday in Fiji, Guyana, India, Malaysia, expect Sarawak, Mauritius, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Suriname, and Trinidad and Tobago. Is from the Sanskrit Deepavali, meaning row of series of lights. The conjugated term is derived from the Sanskrit word Deepa, lamp, light, lantern, candle, that which glows, shines, illuminates, or knowledge, and Avali, a row, range, continuous line, series. The 5 day celebration observed every year in early autumn after the conclusion of the summer harvest and coincides with the new moon known as Amavasya, the darkest night of the Hindu lunisolar calendar. The festivities begin 2 days before Amavasya on Dhanantaras and extends 2 days after the second day of the first fortnight of the month of Kartik. According to the Indologist Constance Jones, who specializes in religious sociology, this night ends the lunar month of Ashwin and starts the month of Kartika. The darkest night is the apex of the celebration and coincides with the second half of October or early November in the Gregorian calendar. The festival climax is on the third day and is called the main Diwali. It is an official holiday in about a dozen countries, while the other festive days are regionally observed as either public or optional restricted holidays in India. In Nepal, it is also a multi-day festival, although the days and rituals are named differently, with the climax being called the Tihar festival by Hindus and Swandi festival by Buddhists. All of you have understanding about this importance of Diwali, so I wish all of you a happy and prosperous Diwali wishes. Thank you.